India makes USB Type-C charging mandatory for device makers from March of 2025. Well, this is similar to what happened in Europe, happening now in India. Obviously, this mostly only affects Apple because they're the last one standing as far as something other than USB Type-C goes. Everybody's on C at this point. Or
sounds like a drug.
Are you on C? Well,
I'm on C.
Vitamin C. Yeah. Vitamin C in the winter might get some of that going. The Common Charger Directive will kick in 3 months after the EU for smartphones. Oh, so there you go. They are following the EU. It's 3 months after. Laptop makers have a little longer to comply, up to 2026. I've been having this experience personally because I'm using the new version of the MacBook Pros. I have the 14-inch that I use at home, and it has the MagSafe. They brought the MagSafe back, and I'm like, okay, at first, I was thinking, that's so great that it's back because it's such a convenient connector. Mm-hmm. However, in my house, there's a lot of other gadgets and things. There's many people that live there.
You just go back to Type-C.
And you can charge off Type-C with it because on a laptop, you can have both. And there are some advantages to a MagSafe, but one of those advantages is not the fact that these MagSafe connectors are lying around everywhere, because they're not. Mm-hmm. And Type-C actually is on the laptop side, and the same thing goes for smartphones. If it wasn't for Apple, we could get away with far fewer chargers in the house.
Sure.
But there are Apple devices there, and so lightning cables are hanging around for a little bit longer. Now, Apple obviously not huge fans of this directive. We don't really know what they're going to do. If it's actually going to be Type-C, there were rumors at one point of the portless iPhone. Who knows if that's actually a true possibility? Mm-hmm. I would think you have these Pro devices. They're shooting ProRes. They're shooting 4K. They're shooting 60 frames. You have in some cases, some enormous files. You got to believe there's still some advantages to being able to plug in. Mm-hmm. And I still want to have that capability. And all their other products embrace Type-C, like the iPad and the laptop and so forth. So anyway, 2025 gives them enough time, I guess, to figure it out. What are we in now, Will? It's almost 2023 right here.
Oh, yeah.
There's global supply chain at play when it comes to chargers. Therefore, we have to align ourselves with the global timeline. This is what's coming from the Secretary, Ministry of Consumer Affairs in India. So that's why they kind of tagged along, I guess, with the European Union. The important thing to note, in India, you still have prevalence of micro USB chargers as well.
Oh, right. Yeah.
On more budget-oriented devices. So that will quickly get rid of those, although by 2025, I would assume those would kind of be gone as well.